today we are going to be opening this toy called Barbie's Let's Go Camping. Whoa! Whoa, look, Barbie!
Wow!
Okay, how do you open this?
Oy, oy, oy.
Whoa! Okay. How do I open this? Okay, I think I might need some help. Oh! Okay guys, so I built everything, but I needed a little help. So my dad had to help me with this because this was a little tricky, and so did my mom. And these are the cute blankets that I got.
Wow!
It has like this cute thing and some lights. And look, this is so cute. This is
Wow!
and you can look through it like. And these are like some cute little chairs. And some pillows, some snacks, and look, cute little waters from the water cup holder. And this is a flashlight. So let's get to playing. Hey Barbie, yeah. Tiffany, want to eat some marshmallows? Sure. Nom nom. Yum. Let's go look and see if we can find any animals. Let's use the flashlights. So we're gonna put the flashlight.
Wow!
Okay, I guess we can do it like this. Yay! Okay, let's go. Okay. I found a squirrel. Let's pet it.
Wow!
Okay. Aww. It likes us. And it has a cute little acorn. That's so
Oy,
cute.
oy, oy.
I found a bunny. Let's also pet it. We can use these for our pets. Come on, pets. Oh, one of them is sleeping in the tent. Let's go to bed. Okay. Let's put everything back and get it organized again. Now let's go in the tent and sleep. Okay, guys. That's it for today. Bye, guys. See you next time. Finally, morning. Yep. Okay, let's go eat some snacks.
Wow!
Yummy. Okay, thirsty, so I'm gonna drink. Okay. Me too. Okay, now we're going to be eating some marshmallows. So let's do it. Let's put it in the fire. Cook. It's ready.
Wow!
No. Okay, now I'm gonna look through this telescope, see what I see. Oh, I see the stars.
Wow!
And I also see the moon. Cool. What else do I see? I see you. Okay, now let's look back up. Let's play with the animals.
Wow!
Aw, cute little animals. Let's pet it. I'm gonna pet it too. Aw. They're so cute. I know. Really, really cute. Okay, what should we do now? I don't know. Let's go back to bed because it's nighttime again. Okay, that's a great idea. Bye, guys. See you next time. Okay, guys, I just wanted to show you this cool tent. So let me just show you. They're sleeping, and over here you have like some cute lights. And this to keep them like shaded. And now we're gonna go out of the tent. And I'm just gonna show you more stuff for this video. So here's the cute little telescope. I'm also gonna show you these cute blankets. So here are the blankets. And here is this. It's almost like a carpet, except for it lays things down. That's why I have everything on it. And you can actually put the shoes on.
Whoa!
And it looks like both of these are like, this one is a sandal and this one is a slipper. Now what should we do? I don't know. Say a spooky story or a fun story. Okay, once upon a time, there was a girl named Aaliyah. And she was a very happy kid. She loved playing, and one day she went camping like us. And she got like 2 chairs for her best friend and a big tent like this. And one day a storm came, so they had to stay inside. And they have slippers just like us. And they also have like these cute little card games like us. They have a flashlight because you still need to see. They also have like a campfire because every camp needs campfires. Don't forget that, kids. And they had a telescope to see, like look out like this. And they found a bunny and a squirrel like us. And also they have like this little shade like us and some lights like us. But one day there was a really, really bad storm that it cut the lights off and they had to fix it. But after that day, Aaliyah was still happy, and her best friend Sophia, every single day, even if something happened that was really sad, they would not be sad or mad or any of those emotions. Only happy. Bye, guys.